Good morning, friends. Today is World Students Day, and I'm talking to you small message in connection with that. This day has been declared as a commemoration to one of our illustrious presidents, Dr. Abdul Kalam. He was not only our president, but he was also a very distinguished scientist. In fact, best of the best in space science. And one of the principal characters that I have found in his life is his curiosity and hunger for knowledge. So we in the concept surgery group, we all feel that you should have the same hunger for knowledge and also a desire and curiosity to know about surgery. So we have devised the entire app, the Concept Surgery app, keeping this in mind. And I hope you are finding it adequate. So I also sincerely want to thank you for the attendance that you are doing in live sessions and also for the interest you are showing regarding the apps, because I get the feedback from the team of Concept Surgery. So wishing you all the best on behalf of the faculty of the Concept Surgery and the team of Concept Surgery on this World Students Day. All the best, and I wish that you have a great time ahead. Thank you so much.